again. You know, I posted Hillary Clinton's uncontrolled coughing spree. When this viewer sent it to me, it had 2,686 views, 108 thumbs up, and 26 thumbs down. Well, for you trolls that like giving me thumbs down, Hillary is going down. I want to share a couple of comments, this one in particular that a viewer made. What's interesting is this video has only been up for less than a day. I think this is a medical professional making this comment. You'll know why I said that after I read you what he wrote. If you listen closely to her cough, it is more of a choking, gagging type cough. That tells me she is suffering from dysphagia because she has Parkinson's disease. Dysphagia happens when a person loses control of the muscles in the throat, which are responsible for allowing the saliva produced in the mouth to go into the stomach and not the lungs. It's almost the same as when someone takes a quick gulp of water and it goes down. What we all call the wrong tube, which causes choking, gagging, and coughing. This choking, gagging, coughing is the fingerprint of Parkinson's disease. I can't imagine that it's at all comfortable. And again, I believe that it's going to accelerate. We're going to see much more of this. For how long? That's yet to be determined. Another viewer wrote, "Thank you, Gabe, for making me laugh my ass off today. You are the best." I wrote back, "Glad you liked the clip." She just had a worse coughing attack in her airplane where she had to literally walk away from questions. P.S. Tim Kaine looks like a pedophile. He actually does. He's got that stupid smirk on his face. Hillary might be on lisinopril for high blood pressure and having a reaction to it. Other than that, what is continuous coughing a symptom of? Asthma, COPD, chronic allergies, post-nasal drip, esophageal irritation from acid reflux disease, lung or throat cancer, lesions in the throat or airways, or TB. Well, we know she had some kind of lesion on her tongue, which appeared to have been removed. That could be in her throat as well. Who knows? It's really amazing that she's allowed to continue to possibly infect hundreds, if not thousands, of unsuspecting people. We don't know what's wrong with her. Could she have tuberculosis? Who the heck knows? There's no question. She's very, very ill. And the DNC is going to keep whipping her to try to get her to the finish line. We're 62 days away. How many of you think she'll make it the next 30 days? I don't. Do you?